את רוצה את זה? You want it? Yes? You want the stick? Yes? Yes?
Guilty dog trying to make up for destroying stuff.
Parkour! Michael, parkour!
Wolfie, it's okay. Oh, no, Wolfie, that's not nice. No.
Mom tell Loop to stop ignoring me.
Doing annoying things to my dog that he does to me. Barking when he's asleep.
Oh, thank you. Okay, wait.
Come on. Come on. Go get it.
Ooh, sing. Get out of there. Come here. Come on. Whoa. Hey, go. Sing.
Hey Luna, I got a question. Who let the dogs out?
What's your point now, booby? Oh.
I know what you're doing.
That's a pass ball. He's dealt with a lot of difficult ones, but he didn't anticipate.
Norma. Time to eat. Go tell Charlie. Go on, go tell him. Good girl, Norma.
Mom, are your shirt and sweater sanitary? It looks questionable to me.
What? They said you look like Paw Patrol. How you feel?
I swear, man, like Paw Patrol.
You don't look bad. You look cute. Don't let them fool you. You don't get mad at me. You look cute.
now.
What you got?
Let me see it. Come on. Let me see it. Let me see what you have. Come here. Come here.
First time out. Doesn't look too thrilled so far. What do you think, buddy? You'll fall asleep? Oh, the rocking of the boat. So sleepy. Kona's first boat ride. Right, Kona? You know your name, don't you? He's not too thrilled so far. I think he's gonna take a nap. Oh, he's so tired.
Do you want your pup cup? Sit.
My blue squishy. Gotta get treats out. Bounce it. The heck? Where? Where? All that work for nothing.
Here taking down my lights, turn around, Ace climbs up this whole ladder by himself and is now on top of the roof.